Hello guys, so once again you're welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today without wasting your time, I'll be sharing with you here a new update on USDT mining platform. So guys, without wasting your time, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon. So guys, once again, let's jump onto this platform over here. So it's called nftmore.vip. Don't worry about the link, it's in my description box. Kindly open it so that you could be able to sign up a new account. So over here guys, as you can see over here, everything is working really amazing. And guys, all you need to do on this platform is to remember this platform is an investment platform. So guys, for you to earn on this platform, you just need to check your VIP level over here. You check the VIP level in which you are, and you could see that currently I'm on this NFT 1. We have NFT 0, which will earn you nothing, but with this NFT 1 you'll be getting a total profit of 2 USDT each and every day for depositing 12 USDT. And over here guys, our next VIP level gives us 24 USDT each and every day, and with this one you just need to top up with only $120 so that you could be able to earn $24 each and every day. And with this one also over here, you just need to top up with $130 so that you could be able to earn 46. You just need to top up with $230 so that you could be able to earn 46 USDT each and every day, and it goes on and on. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how everything basically works on this platform. After checking the VIP level, you click on the home button over here. When you click on the home button, you click on this deposit button over here. So when you click on this deposit button, you wait for a while. You see that the address will pop up over here. Where you copy it, you copy this address over here, then you go to your Binance wallet or any wallet that you're having, then you proceed and make a deposit right away over here. After that, you click on this recharge completed, then you go back home. When you go back home, all you need to do again is to click on this mission button over here. You click on the mission button over here guys, then you submit, or you click on the go to finish button. I've already submitted my mission. As you can see over here, I've completed my mission, which I got $2 over here, $2 commission over here. So guys, I've already completed my mission over here. So when you are done with your mission, all you need to do again is to click on this withdrawal button over here. When you click on this withdrawal button, you could see that my balance is 000 because I've made a withdrawal on this platform just now. So you type in your quota or your withdrawal amount over here, then you input or you paste your withdrawal wallet address over here, then you type in your security password and confirm everything over here. So guys, for me, I've done everything over here, so I'll just show you my withdrawal proof. To show you my withdrawal proof over here, I'll just click on the me button over here, then I'll show you my withdrawal finance over here. You could see, let me click on the finance records over here. When I click on this finance records over here, you could see that I deposited 12 USDT over here, 12 USDT over here, and I made a withdrawal of 2 USDT over here. You could see the mission benefit over here. I did my lucky rebate over here and my mission benefit, which was $2, all total making $2.10, and I withdrew it right away. So guys, let us confirm from my Binance account. As you can see from here, this is my Binance account over here, and this amount, 2.10 USDT, was deposited into my account. Let me check the time over here, and the time was 2023 October 13th over here. This money got into my account, and over here guys, as you can see, the same time, the same date over here, this money was withdrew from this platform. So guys, everything here shows basically that this platform is really legitimate and it's really working over here. So guys, all you need to do is to sign up a new account with this platform over here, and you just need to open my description box so that you could be able to sign up a new account on this platform. So guys, once again, thank you for watching Crypto Denzel TV. If you find my videos really amazing and really informative, just give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for more updates. Once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Bye.